Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can get Steam VR on the Oculus Quest 2. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important information. So let's get on it. First, what you need to do is you need a USB-C cable to link the headset to your PC for a wired connection. So a 15-foot cord or longer works best as you don't want to be restricted while wearing a VR headset. So to do and after that, after making sure that you have the USB-C cable, launch the Quest 2 desktop app and then connect the USB-C cable to both devices. This is the wire that you will be needing. And then in the Quest 2 app, select the devices and then click on the headset and find your Quest 2 on there. So this is the headset button. And after that, complete the setup process and just select the link slash or open close parenthesis cable right here and continue. And then lastly, you can launch Steam and click on to the Steam VR. So you can play any of your Steam or any of your Steam VR games right here. So compared to a wireless connection, you get a stable link that isn't affected by internet speeds or any web-based delay. However, a cable connected to you may not be the best experience for some players. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.